Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Practice channel, where learning English is simple, practical, and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
We really are. David, how are you today?
I'm doing great, Anna. I had a cup of coffee this morning, so I have energy. Lots of energy.
Oh no, energetic David today. That sounds dangerous.
Very dangerous. I might buy the whole supermarket.
Perfect, because today's topic is the supermarket.
Yay, one of my favorite places. Food everywhere.
Yes, today we're going to take you on a full shopping trip, from making a shopping list to paying at the checkout.
And along the way, we will teach you useful English expressions you can actually use in real life.
Exactly. So grab your imaginary shopping cart and come with us.
But before we start, if you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to the Daily English Practice channel.
And give this episode a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue making lessons for you.
Thank you so much. Okay, Anna, are you ready to go shopping?
I am ready. First question. Do you make a shopping list?
Always. I always make a shopping list. If I don't make a list, I forget something important.
Yes, that's a useful sentence. Everyone repeat. I always make a shopping list.
Good. A shopping list helps you remember what you need.
So, David, what's on your list today?
Let me see. I need rice, tomatoes, eggs, and orange juice.
Very practical. I like it. My list is a little longer.
Uh-oh.
I need milk, bread, chicken, onions, apples, and maybe chocolate.
Maybe chocolate. That sounds suspicious.
It's important for happiness.
Yes, chocolate is essential for happiness.
Okay, we arrive at the supermarket. What is the first thing we need?
We need something to carry our food. We need a shopping cart or a shopping basket.
Good. A shopping cart is big and has wheels.
And a shopping basket is smaller. You carry it in your hand.
My list is long. I need a cart.
My list is short. I'll take a basket.
Great. Now where do we go first?
Let's go to the fruit and vegetable section.
Perfect. The fruit and vegetable section is usually near the entrance.
Yes, it's colorful. Very colorful. Red tomatoes, green lettuce, yellow bananas.
I love that part of the store. Okay, I need apples.
I see apples over here. There are red apples and green apples.
I prefer red apples. They are sweet.
Good sentence, everyone. I prefer red apples. Prefer means you like one thing more than another.
Exactly. I'll take 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I need tomatoes. I'll get 6 tomatoes. They look fresh.
Fresh means new and good quality.
Yes, always check if your vegetables look fresh.
Great tip. Okay, what's next?
I need rice. That means we go to the dry food aisle.
Good word. Aisle. An aisle is the long path between shelves in a supermarket.
Repeat after me. It's in aisle 3. It's in aisle 5.
Perfect. Here's the rice. I'll help you carry it.
Thank you. It's a heavy bag.
Heavy means not light.
Very heavy. My arm is getting tired.
That's why we use a shopping cart.
Good point.
Now let's go to the dairy section.
The dairy section is where we find milk, cheese, and yogurt.
And it's always cold.
Very cold. Brr.
I need milk. There are big cartons and small cartons.
Which one do you need?
I need a large carton of milk.
Good. A large carton of milk.
You need eggs, right?
Yes, I need a dozen eggs.
A dozen means 12.
Repeat. A dozen eggs.
Be careful with eggs. They are fragile.
Fragile means easy to break.
Good teaching moment.
Thank you, Teacher Anna.
You're welcome, Student David.
Hey,
Okay, next stop, the bakery.
I love the bakery. It smells amazing.
It smells amazing means it smells very good.
I need bread. I'll take 1 loaf of bread.
Good phrase, a loaf of bread.
Not one bread, 1 loaf of bread.
Exactly. Countable and uncountable nouns. But that's another episode.
Yes, or we will be here for 3 hours.
True.
Now you need chicken.
Yes, that means we go to the meat counter.
At the meat counter, you can speak to the person working there.
You can say, "Excuse me, can I have 2 chicken breasts, please?"
Always use please. It sounds polite.
Politeness is very important in English.
The worker will weigh the chicken and give it to you.
Great! Now we have almost everything.
Wait, I'm thirsty.
Oh yes, let's go to the drinks aisle.
I'll get orange juice.
I'll get a bottle of water.
A bottle of water. Good quantity phrase.
Now we are ready to pay. Where do we go?
We go to the checkout.
The checkout is at the front of the store.
There are different lines. Some are express lines.
Express lines are for customers with fewer items.
That means not many items.
Now it's our turn.
The cashier says, "Hello, did you find everything you were looking for?"
That's a very common question.
You can answer, "Yes, thank you."
Or, "No, I couldn't find the pasta."
Great example.
The cashier scans the items. Beep, beep, beep.
Then they say, "Your total is $25.
Total means the final price.
You can say, "Can I pay by card?"
Or, "I will pay in cash."
Very useful expressions.
After you pay, the cashier gives you a receipt.
A receipt is the paper that shows what you bought.
And then you say,
Thank you. Have a nice day.
simple, polite, natural English.
That was a successful shopping trip.
Yes, let's review what we learned.
We learned shopping list, shopping cart, shopping basket,
Fruit and vegetable section,
dairy section,
bakery,
meat counter,
aisle,
checkout,
express line,
receipt.
and many useful phrases like, "Excuse me, where can I find?" "Can I have, please?" "Can I pay by card?"
Real English for real life.
Exactly. English is not just grammar, it's communication.
And the supermarket is a perfect place to practice.
Before we finish, here's a question for you.
Yes, we love questions.
What is one thing you always buy at the supermarket?
I always buy coffee.
Of course you do.
What about you?
I always buy bananas.
Healthy choice.
Thank you.
Everyone, thank you so much for listening.
Keep practicing, keep speaking. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Remember, learning English takes time.
But step by step, you will improve.
We believe in you.
And we are proud of you.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Take care and happy learning.